Hello and welcome to Shopaccino tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to connect your Google Merchant Center account to your Shopaccino store. Once you are logged into the admin panel, in the menu, go to the apps section, search for Google Merchant Center, click on activate, click on manage, click on Google authentication, log into your Google Merchant Center account, click on allow. The details are pre-filled. You just need to enter the merchant ID, which you can copy from the Google Merchant Center. Copy the merchant ID and paste it on Shopaccino. Now click on Save. Now verify and update the feed details as per your requirement and submit the feed. Now click on Start Submission. Once this is done, your Shopaccino store is synced with your Google Merchant Center and the products now should be visible on Google Merchant Center account.